Welcome everyone to this quick video about how to add decoding data science as a member in your LinkedIn profile. Lately, a lot of members are adding their profiles, including leaders that are there in this group, and we have a lot of people here who have done that, and it is a very good way for every one of you to do that. So since you have joined Decoding Data Science as a member, you can add it in your work history, and I will show you how to do it. So if you can see here, it is added here as a member, and you can add as a member, and after some time, once you become an ambassador, you can add ambassador as well. So you can add member. How to do that? It is very simple. Just go to your profile, and as you add a company experience, you can add decoding data science. So if you can see this plus, add a position, then you can search for you can mention here member, and then member, and then you can do this is you can mention seasonal or part-time or self-employed, or this is something that you can mention. This is up to you, and then you can do decoding data science, that is here. So, and then you can see I am currently working here, and mention the start date from when you have joined the community. Some of you have joined it from last year, some of you have recently joined. Just put the month and year here, and then just write something about your community member. Location type you can mention on site, location, put your city location that is there, and then you can do save. And this is something that is going to help you boost your profile. We have approximately 16,156 followers and growing, and this is going to give a big boost to your profile as well, and you can connect with the like-minded members of Decoding Data Science and take it forward. So thank you, and looking forward for all of you to be part of this amazing community, as well as solidifying the relationship on LinkedIn. And you may see there are a lot of people here. The numbers are not updated, but you can see the distribution of people from different places and different global community that is there. So thank you very much, and see you in the next.
And begin your journey toward AI-enabled excellence. Transform your AI strategy. Transform your leadership. Transform your future.